Is my sound good now? Is it okay? Just let me know, guys. Welcome to the stream. Just let me know if my sound is okay. Just let me know. Just quickly confirm. Welcome to this New York Station stream. We had one on Monday. I'm just trying to post something here. Hey, just confirm with me. Will you be sharing trade ideas for New York Station today? Yeah, I will be. We always do that every single time we come on here. We always do that. So I will be today as well. Yes, we can hear you. Okay, beautiful. All right, so let me have this on. We're ready to go. All right, so if you haven't signed up an account with Exness, make sure you do. It's a platform I'm using to take all trades that we actually discuss here. Any trade that I discuss with you guys here is obviously being taken on my Exness account. We always do that every time we come on live, right? So make sure you open an account. And also, you know, if you open an account with Exness, right? The beauty about it is that I'm going to add you to, if you open using the link that is pinned in the description, right? I'm going to add you to our Learn and Earn platform, which is this, all right? We have a platform here. We were live today. Let me just make it a little bit wider maybe so you guys can see clearly. All right, so we're live today, okay? We went live and we had a beautiful London Station stream, right? I know we always come here only for New York Station, but we always go live in here for London Station, right? Look at this guy. This guy paid himself 3,000 today. Yeah, same trade we took. We took a sell on gold during that particular session earlier on. All right, so you guys might want to also be in this specific platform here, right? You can see this guy made $54. Same trade that we took in the morning. All right, just text me up, hit me up, wherever you can get, you can reach me through, right? I've got an IG handle somewhere around this video. If you're actually not connected on my Instagram, just connect and let me know that you want to join the Learn and Earn platform. I'm going to add you to that platform. All right, and we could obviously trade together on a regular basis, right? It's always good to have a community. I always say this. It's always good to have a community of people you're trading with. All right, it's always good. It's very important. I won't lie you. All right, because you also tend to have ideas from those people that you probably did not see earlier, right? They tend to sort of like share ideas, trade setups, and so on and so forth, right? Trades that maybe you didn't see coming. All right, you can obviously get them from a community of like-minded individuals, right? I recommend that you guys join the platform. It's going to be very useful for you. Facts. It's going to be very useful for you, right? We took a gold trade in the morning, right? Now, the only way you can join is if you have an account with Exness signed up with the link in the description. That's the only way you can join, right? No any other way you can join. But just let me know that you have an account with Exness. Even if you already have an existing account, just text me, hit me up. I'm going to add you still. All right. So anyway, let's get to the markets. Do we have anything fundamental happening today? No. Right, it's a blank fundamental day, but of course we have something important happening tomorrow, which is let's see, we have something happening tomorrow. It has to do with GDP. You can say GDP tomorrow. We have advanced GDP tomorrow, right? Expecting it should come out negative or less than expected. Well, we'll see about that. All right, we'll see about that. All right, we'll see about that. Am I allowed to ask a question? Yes, man. Look, I always come live here to just obviously help you out. All right, that's the whole idea. I don't come here to just rant around. No. Okay, I come here to probably help you. So ask your question. Okay, ask your question. Feel free. All right, feel free with me. Okay, I'm gonna try my best to obviously see how I can help you. So we took this trade on gold earlier. All right, so we got all the way to this level. We didn't really get to really fulfill the whole initial trade setup, but at the same time, I think we caught most of it. Right, this was in the morning. Yeah, in the Learn and Earn platform, we caught this trade. I think we're up like up approximately from that to about like 140 points, right? So I shared this trade live, not like screenshot Fugazi. No, it was a live trade, and we were discussing on a live platform, just like we are here, right? Just hopefully that we catch a trade together today as well. All right, so just like we are here, we did the same thing in the morning today. In a Learn and Earn platform, which is on Telegram, right? It was a beautiful trade setup on gold. We had sells, which I'm still thinking markets could still want to go down. You know, looking at how we're actually getting formations, right? I'm still thinking, well, maybe price might still actually be interested in going down, because if you see the kind of candles that are actually forming, let's take out this because it's already okay. We're not going to take it out. It's fine. Right, let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. right? So if you look at 5 minutes time frame, look at how we are getting bears coming on the market at this particular area, right? So I still personally feel like maybe, okay, we still have sellers trying to control this particular market, right? So if you look at this area here, we created some sort of like resistance here, all right? So resistance was created here based off a 5 minute time frame, right? I rarely look at such kind of time frames, but of course, it just makes sense that we could look at the candles as they are, just like we would do the same thing on a 30 minutes the 30 minutes time frame and so on and so forth, right? So we have potential for a continuation, right? Reason being also is this, all right? If you look at New York open was up there, it seems to me like price was just coming to retest London's not really London's high, but London's maybe midway, you know, trading range and stuff like that. Perhaps, you know, you just need confirmation around this area. We could still continue going down, maybe to the downside on gold. All right, I rarely trade gold during New York session. I really do. You know, mostly I'm focusing on Nasdaq, which is what I'm gonna go to from here. I already see somebody asking, please check out Nasdaq. I'm gonna go to that soon. Normally I focus on Nasdaq for New York session, but like I said, gold still might want to continue going downside. All right, take it from me, it might still want to continue going downside. All right, it still looks very bearish. If you look at the 30 minutes time frame, let's try and look at that. Okay, so 30 minutes time frame here. If this candle can close bearish, it's gonna close bearish in a minute time. It has actually, if you look at that. So we can say that maybe if you miss this initial move early in the morning, all right, potentially, right, we probably have another opportunity to take the same trade, maybe you know, where markets are now, right? Because obviously we have a confirmation for self, all right, and basically perhaps maybe you could be looking at, you know, overall a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio downside this area. But because if you pay attention, right, on the left side we have a clean range. Of course, maybe we can look at this current support here. Okay, I haven't taken any trade on this myself, right? Because I already did trade gold in the morning. I don't really trade it like, you know, back to back. Okay, I don't recommend that. You know, that's almost like over trading like back to back. All right, so you take trades on a particular asset, maybe move on to a different asset if you could, all right, and look at that asset thereafter. All right, but I'm not trying to say it's not a good asset to look at now. If you would, you could. All right, still looks like we have a potential continuation to the downside on gold. All right, still looks like we have a potential continuation to the downside, and it all lies down with what's happening in the geopolitical you know, space, right? In the sense that if you guys noticed, we have tensions easing, in the sense of you know, we saw geopolitical tensions actually easing up, right, which were actually affecting the demand and also the supply of gold. All right, because what normally happens, like I said the other day, is that ideally investors tend to move their money to gold during a time when we have geopolitical tensions, right? Especially like a time like we had recently, right? But because they're easing up, all right, we could expect only but maybe gold to, you know, start sliding down to the downside, all right? So possibly that could be one of the reasons why we could be looking at gold sliding down even further. Also, right, if I draw a fib here, okay, look at this. I use fibs also to trade, right? I do use that, in case you're wondering. If I draw a fib here, notice how it adds up. Price came to the 61.8 level, all right? And it created resistance right there, all right? So if you put a stop there, it's almost like 17 points, which is not bad, right? In terms of risk reward ratio, because you are trying to make maybe about like 30 something, no, about like 25 points, yeah, so it's not really that crazy. So if you were to ask me, this is one of the good trade setups that probably you can be looking into if you are trading, let's say, for New York session now and looking at gold, right? I'm going to come and look at Nasdaq shortly, all right, but this is what I'm looking out for on gold. Perhaps if we can get a continuation for the downtrend that we actually earlier started, all right, it would be beautiful to see that. Yeah, it would be beautiful to see that. Someone says, I texted you, but you didn't respond. I'm going to respond. Where did you text me? And what was it about? Was it about joining the Learn and Earn platform? Just text me the word Learn and Earn. That's it. Nothing else. Just text that and you're going to join in. All right? Just that. Nothing else. How are you doing today? I'm good, Yando. How is it? How are you doing today? Hope you're doing perfectly fine too. All right. So area of interest currently is here on gold. Area of interest is right here. Okay, That's the area of interest. Yeah, that's the current area of interest. I could take out this because this is in the past. I could take out this also because we're looking at that early in the morning. We could be looking at this level that we have currently, and also we could be looking at this level that we have down here. All right, it looks like we're getting sellers on the markets, right? Who knows? Maybe they could pump more or not. Who knows? It's worth a trade taking because you're only risking about like 17. No, is it 7 points actually? Not 17. 7 points approximately, right? So it's worth a trade taking. The reward is better because you're actually having a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. So I would say so. All right. Yeah. Beautiful Wednesday. It is Wednesday, yeah. You know, I see a lot of drama going on South African trading space. You guys saw that? I don't know. Someone just sent me a video and just like explaining the whole thing. I don't know what's going on. I'm not really like so, you know, all over social media trying to check out who's doing what and so on. Never really about that. But if somebody say me something, sometimes I check, you know. So it's crazy. It's crazy. You've been quiet, Mr. Nas. No. I was live on Monday. You just missed me on Monday. I was live here on Monday. I was absent maybe most of last week. Yes. Yeah. Somebody asking if I've taken a trade yet. No, I haven't taken this gold trade yet. No, I haven't. Ideally, one of the reasons would be that maybe this candle needs to create a high first and probably show signs of coming down. If it could, well, maybe I could take that. If it doesn't, I wouldn't. Honestly, I wouldn't. It looks like a good one. Yeah, but maybe let's wait to see if this candle can slide down a little bit. You know, like maybe reject up there, come down. That would be better confirmation. You know, if it doesn't do that, well, I wouldn't really be interested in taking it. I really wouldn't be interested in taking it. You know, because who knows, maybe price wants to go up, you know, so I wouldn't really be interested in taking it. Let's see if this candle can really reject around this area as well. Okay, the previous candle closed bearish. The current candle is seemingly bullish. Will it go all the way up? I don't know. You know, if it breaks the high there, maybe it nullifies the whole trade plan. If it doesn't, we can wait to see if it breaks its own low. All right, and then probably we can look for trade execution right there. Maybe I could execute another gold trade at that moment if we see that. You know, maybe I could execute another gold trade if we see that. You know, but if we don't, no. But anyway, let's look at Nasdaq. We are in the New York session now, 6 minutes into New York session. Nasdaq is going up. I discussed this early in the morning in the Learn and Earn platform. Also, I mentioned that we are only looking for buys on Nasdaq, which are worthy taking. Which are worthy taken, if you had to ask me. You know, if this candle, I think the best would be to wait for this candle to close. All right, but even though maybe an impulse execution would do as well, right? Impulse execution there, stop loss below, slightly below there. TP slightly 1 to 3 was gonna be somewhere. I always take 1 to 3 risk reward ratio kind of trades. You know, I wouldn't really be taking 1 to 1 and whatever. And I wouldn't do that. Mostly I do 1 to 3 and stuff like that. Yeah, mostly that's just what I like to take. You know, there's no superstitious reasons behind it. I just like to take such kind of trades. Yeah. So possibly if we can look at that, all right. If this candle can close, yeah, above the high of this candle, impulse trade would be maybe one execution now to test the waters. Yeah, it wouldn't be wrong to do that. Maybe one trade now to test the waters, and then just watch up charts and see how things play out, like before maybe considering if you want to, you know, add positions and stuff like that in the future. You know, depending on how the trade is actually going also. You know, you don't take all positions at once. No, you look at if that current trade is also okay. Now we're in profit slightly. Yeah. Now in profit slightly. Not too much though, but yeah. Slightly reasonable. God looks like it's moving slightly up. I'm just watching it on my phone here. But I think the eyes should also be on a 5 minutes time frame based off execution. Yeah, you can look at those time frames too. I do sometimes just to gain clarity, because everything that goes up starts on the bottom, right? So everything that goes up on gold or any other asset starts from lower time frames as well, just to get an urge, right? It's not really for anything superstitious as well. It's just to get an urge, right? We're just trying to obviously balance up confirmations, like, okay, this is really intentional about going up or down, right? And you can see it in the candles forming, right? So yeah. So this is a confirmed trade. Yeah, this is a confirmed trade. If you were to take it, well, all up to you. The risk is roughly 40 points, not that bad. The reward is approximately 139 points, which is 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So not that bad as well. Okay, not that bad as well. Not that bad as well. Up about like maybe now 20 points. Is it 20 points? No, is it? No, 10 points, not 20 points. 10 points. Mr. Nath, how do you do psychology? Psychology is a whole field that you learn by being active on the markets, not trading demo, trading a live account. Experience losses, experience profits, experience drawdowns, experience you know, the whole idea of markets moving. All right, and obviously you get to learn yourself in the process. All right, like we took a trade right now, it's winning, yeah, for sure. So you get to experience the ups and downs, right? How the whole trade is playing out, how you're responding in the process, how you're reacting to it in the process as well, right? That's whole psychology, all right? And that's absolutely what separates traders who are profitable from those who are not. Because ideally, I won't lie you, profitable traders know how to respond to all trade situations, be it before execution, after execution, and even after closing trades. They know how to respond to, you know, whatever's going on in the markets, right? It's not really about technicals, right? It's not really about, you know, charts and all that. Sometimes it comes down to you, the person. How are you responding, all right, to a win, to a loss? How are you responding to a drawdown? Right? And you need to learn yourself. So allow yourself time, give yourself to the markets, all right, and be on the markets, right? Open a live account, you know, try and trade and execute a few trades. It could be with the smallest of load sizes, but you get to learn from that. If you open a demo account, you never learn psychology. You don't learn psychology from a demo account. It's very, very, very impossible to learn psychology from a demo account. Because what's going to happen with the demo account is that because it's demo, you won't be all in terms of like your emotional involvement, because that's what psychology is all about. It's your emotional involvement, all right? How are you responding to trades that are either playing out, not playing out, those that should play out, or those that you have already closed, all right? So yeah, it's basically how we go all about that. I'm trying to read a text that I'm getting here from somebody. And by the way, guys, if you ever text me on any platform, it's me responding to you. Most cases, it's me responding to. I'm not gonna put you with an automation, right? I'll be the one to respond to you. Most people think like, oh, you know, is it you really respond? I'm the one responding to you. All right. Yeah, I want to hear what you're saying. I wanna talk back to you. Okay. So yeah, the Doto guys. Who the hell is that? Is this gold or US30? Look at this, man. Open your eyes. You see that? Do you see that? Open your eyes, man. Do you see this? Yeah. Not. This is Nasdaq. Nasdaq. It's none of that, Rick. None of that. We're up now 12 points, right? Yeah, we're up now 12 points. The few guys who come trade live in front of you, I say this all the time, because they're afraid to lose in front of people, and also afraid to just go through a trade with people, right? Some trades don't play out. Like Monday we came, a trade didn't play out, right? We accept that. Okay, we took a loss. How many points was that? Was that 17 points? Yeah, not bad. When we lose less. When we win more, right? So yeah. I just wish all of you guys were in the Learn and Earn platform, so that you also take trades that we take in London. besides the ones we take in New York, because sometimes New York proves to be slow sometimes, you know. So I would recommend just text me everywhere, right? If it's Instagram, go check. I've got an Instagram. Where is it? No. Is it this side? No. Is it this side? Yeah. So check out, there's an Instagram handle somewhere this side. Yeah. So just go search on Instagram and just send me the word learn and earn. I'm going to add you to a platform so we can trade. I'm not benefiting nothing from you just joining the platform, right? I want to help you if you want to be helped. All right. So you be part of that and we can trade live together every morning. We can share trades. You can also see what other guys are doing. Yeah, ultimately, it's always good to find a community. I say that always good. Find a community with people who you can trade with. You know, it's very important to do so. Very, very important. You might not really agree with me, but trust me, I will tell you that the first time I started trading, I was on different communities, you know, and I had to find one specific one that I felt, okay, I think I like how these guys are trading, and let me stick to this community, right? Because there's so many communities now. Do you journal? It is absolutely necessary to do so to be successful. No, honestly, if you're starting up, yeah, I would recommend you joining your trades. Joining trades is just basically taking down the information behind the trade, the kind of trade you took. Was it a sell? Was it a buy? How many points did you earn from that? Why did you take it? And so it's just a little bit stressful when you're already profitable and when you're already consistent. All right, because if you were to ask me, why would I start joining all my trades now? All right, when I'm already consistent, right? If you are not consistent, you're trying to find the urge, you're trying to find reasons why you're going to take the same trade next time, okay? So you could journal different trades. Yeah, it's very important. Look at gold. Okay, cool. Let's look at gold. You're the only people who comes to trade live here with us. Yes, I'm the only people. I don't know why you said the only people, but yeah, you should have said the only person, but I understand. Gold is rejecting here. Yeah, I'll wait for it to break the low here. I'm going to add positions there. If it breaks, if this candle breaks its own low, I'm going to add positions there. Okay. I'm going to add positions. If we break here, the current candle, okay, breaking there, I'm going to add positions. It's rejecting quite alright, which is good. Rejecting the, what's this? 61.8 level. Okay. Yeah. It's not wrong to take trades currently where it is. But you know, I'm more of on a patient side. It's almost breaking. Almost breaking. Can you please break? We have 50 people in the live. Please like the video, man. That's the only payment you could pay to just, you know, convince me to always come here and spare my time and do these live streams. You know, it's hectic. Could have been playing with my son right now, you know, but I'm here just trying to be there for you guys and all that, which is okay. I like it. I love it. I love to talk to you guys. I love to always come. And I love the fact that you guys also join, which is good. Which is good. Just like the video, you know, just show some support and whatever. You know, it's amazing to see your likes also. Yeah, I should say so. I like it. Like the video. Just like the video, right? I've got so much to share with the trading community in my country. There's a whole lot. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a trade maybe here. Just testing the waters. Okay, it hasn't broken. Let's see if it breaks. I'm going to take if it breaks. I've got so much to share with the trading community in my country. Besides my country, I know there are some of you guys who are not here, but I have all these platforms that I always want to take advantage of to share all these trading information, right? And there's so much that I really have. Okay, I took one position here, guys. I took just one position here. Testing the waters. Yeah, and we are in profit. Woo. Ooh. Whoa, I didn't expect that, gold. I didn't expect that. Throwing itself like that. Okay. Okay. That's cool. That's cool, yeah. I think I love that. Just keep throwing yourself. Continue throwing yourself like that. Nasdaq, we're up. What? Still fluctuating close to entry. Not bad. Gold also, we still fluctuating close to entry, but at least we have some significant move here. You know, when gold moves is significant. You know, I made approximately in the morning today, I made $500 trading gold. Yeah, $500. When I mention these things, I'm not trying to lure you into starting trading. If you're not trading, you're watching this for the first time, and you're like, what the hell is this guy doing? Please, nobody wants you to start trading. We're not even asking you to come and join us. No, I'm not even trying to ask. I'm actually trying to help those who already have an idea about what we're doing. So if you're new and you're like, oh, this guy just wants me to join and no, look, man, we don't need you here, right? We are already a lot of us. We don't need you here. I already have these guys who understand what we're doing and they also are able to relate. So we don't need you. We don't need you in here. I texted on WhatsApp. I haven't gotten any reply. I will reply, man. I will reply. So many messages on WhatsApp, I think. So many. I will reply to you. In which video did you talk about Phoebes? Join the Learn and Earn. The last video we did, last class we did, I spoke about Phoebes. Yeah, spoke about Phoebes in that. Just go check it out. God is playing hard to get, you know. They're gonna keep playing hard to get you. How do you calculate peeps on different assets due to different decimal places? You just have to understand that, you know, of course, we have yen pairs which are different. We also have just normal pairs like, you know, euros, GBP, USDs, whatever, which are also different, right? If you get the difference between the two, right, it's always the last decimal place. For those that have got more than 5, right, it's just reduce it to 1. Okay, reduce it by 1 rather. Okay, so just that. True on that. We are already a lot of us who can, yeah, exactly. So we don't need more people, honestly. People think when we talk about these things with them, they're like, oh, you want to recruit me? No, I don't want to recruit you. I'm just talking about these things with you, and that's it. So you make the decision. If you want to join us, you don't want to, if as a matter of fact, it's not like we're trying to get you on here. You know, so I've met so many people be like, oh, okay, you know, why are you talking about this? And so on. You know, it's just crazy. Meantime, we have a 4-hour time frame on gold that looks like it's rejecting also to the high end. Will be better if it keeps rejecting like that. Potentially for maybe a continuation. Gold playing hard to get here. Playing hard to get. Gave us nice profits back to the entry. Wow, bro. It just needs time anyway. Everything takes time. You know, everything takes time. Having issues with excess withdrawals. What's the issue? I did a video on how you can withdraw using Binance and how you can deposit using Binance. Let me show you that. I'm bringing it back. Don't worry, guys. Okay? Don't ask me like, oh, where is it going? No, it's here. Look, right here. I did a video, right? I have a Telegram platform. I did a video, this video. Yeah, what's good, how guys? You can deposit, how you can withdraw. There's a video on how you can deposit and how you can withdraw. Right, so go check it out. Yeah, what's good, guys? Okay? So using my, so if you've been wanting to use mobile money, right? Yeah, go use Binance. Go use Binance. Very effective, very good, very safe. You can do bulk transactions in one day. Yeah, you can. I have a fellow who withdrew how much today in the Learn and Earn platform. Quite a number of fellows anyway, but some of the recent ones is Venon. Shout out to Venon if he's listening to this. He withdrew 3,000 today after making about like roughly 153 pounds. Are you guys making that much a day? If you are not, man, you're playing with your life. And if you're a man, you're playing with your life. Yeah. Because you're exposed to all this information. I'm telling you, you're exposed to all this information. Every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I come around, talk, rant around about these things. You're exposed to all this information. Right? At least make even $50 every day. That would be better. You know, but if you're not, I understand. Just try and level up. Okay? Maybe it's high time you try and level up. Right? But this guy made about 3,000 kwacha today. This is like in the morning. I don't know how much he's making right now, but yeah, real man with big balls in finance making money. Yeah, the world is changed, man. If you are like, oh, it's just about money, yes, it's just about money. You're not making money, nobody cares about you. Nobody actually even thinks about you. You need some money in your life. No matter how much you can say, oh, money is bad, root of all evil, what, you need money. Just set on that. You need money. That's why you're here. You need money. It's simple as that. So just fix yourself. Join right platforms. Look at this guy. He made about it. He withdrew 1,003 yesterday. Yeah, 1,003 every day. You know how much that is? Times 5. Let me do the math for you. Times 5, that's like 6,000. 6 grand every week. Times 4, that's 26 grand every month. Not bad if you were to ask me. Right? So anyway, we can rant all we want. God is back in a drawdown. Candle has 8 minutes to close. Okay. I only have one position anyway, so I'm not really tripping about it. It's just one position. I was hoping we're going to get volume after that tank, but it doesn't seem like we're getting volume or getting what we're looking for. It just looks like it's just playing around. Yeah. You know. At this point, it just looks like we're playing with each other here. But let's see. Let's give it time. A little bit time. Adding positions will be only if this candle closes. You know, we're getting bearish candles closing. As of now, I wouldn't recommend adding no positions, right? One of my positions I have is running maybe like negative $30 on gold. Just one position. I haven't added any more positions, so I'm cool with that. I'm okay. I'm okay losing $50 or whatever the case is. I'm okay. Let's look at NAS. NAS, I have one position running as what, $48. Yeah, rejecting here also. Is it? I like the way the 5-minute time frame looks. Looks like we're still solid. Yeah. Looks like we're still solid. It looks like we're just trying to maybe do something like that. You know, just normal market movements, you know. It looks like we're just trying to do something like that. Who knows? Let's see how it's gonna play out. Like, some trades won't play out while we're still live. Maybe they might play out thereafter. It's just all about observation. You go look at your charts, observe. Yeah, have them close to you. All about. Let's look at US30. Let's look at US30. Maybe we're missing something here. US30 rejecting, wants to go up. Same thing I'm expecting on Nasdaq. US30 is doing it right now. Our candle rejecting both sides. Gold is tripping. 5-minute time frame candle just closed. Closed bullish. Yeah, closed bullish. What the hell? Why did it do that? Closed bullish. This is where trade management happens. You see candles closing a certain way, and you start asking yourself, how can I limit how much I can lose on this trade? Because I'm losing now. How can I limit how much I can lose on this trade? Even before I get to my BSL or whatever. But normally I like to hold trades all the way to my, you know, protective targets. Man is the root of all evil, but we chew it until it becomes, the evil comes out and it remains good. Yeah, for sure, man. For sure. The time I joined this platform, I was looking for a good community. Despite me being new to the FX, to tell you the truth, people will not give anything if you have not paid for it. Yes, you are actually absolutely right. You see what I'm doing? I should be charging for this. Yes, but I will not charge you for this. Even the community that we have on Telegram, I'm not charging you to be in there. No, right? I'm not. I've got other things I charge on, not this. Okay, not even the community we have on Telegram. I'm not going to charge you for that. Okay, I'm not going to charge you. Let's see. Market's still playing whatever. There's nothing really to influence markets that much fundamentally today. I would understand the hastiness. Maybe the patience would be needed a whole lot, and just the right risk, because there isn't anything that would be like, ooh, Nasdaq is coming down. What the hell is happening here? Kind of looks like it wants to close back in the range. You know what? Let me close this one position I had. Yeah. Until this candle closes outside this range, or we get a candle closing outside this range again, that's the only time I'm gonna place an order again. This candle's rejecting. That's where trade management happens. People ask, you know, if I show them history, be like, look, how is it that some of your losses is like $30, but when you make money it's like $200, $150? It's because of what I'm showing you right now. It doesn't mean I don't lose. I have days where I'm losing, but when I lose very less. You know, when I make money, I make way slightly more. You know, like in the morning I made like $500. So when we make it more. When we lose slightly way less than we should. Some people lose and blow up their account on a trade like this. Blow up their account. You know what they'll do? They'll do this. I don't know who taught them this. South African traders probably did so. They told them, look, enter here. Enter as many orders as you freaking can. Just keep entering orders keep entering orders and don't care about what price is doing. Just keep entering orders wherever the price is. Just keep entering orders, keep entering. By the time price is slightly here, well, man, your account is blown. You're gonna be looking like this. Okay, crying. You're gonna be crying like this. Yeah, you're gonna be crying like that. You know, you'd wonder like, oh, am I cursed or something? No, you're not cursed. You're just doing the wrong things. You've got bad habits. Whoever taught you those bad habits, you need to let go of them. You know, because those habits will not work here. They're gonna cost you a lot here. You know, they're gonna cost you a lot here. Yeah, I closed this position too. I just closed it. I don't want playing with my money like that. Minimize the losses, maximize the wins. So we're gonna wait to see if this candle closes upside also in a minute time still would be good, but I'll wait to see if maybe the 30 minutes candle that's gonna open thereafter to create a low, and when it creates a low, maybe I'm gonna get in back again. You know, yeah, I'm gonna jump in back again. I'm crying right now, yeah, because maybe you did the what do they call them? They call them barcode entries. They found a name for that because they look like a barcode when you place them like this. So that's what you did, and now you're crying. I understand you anyway, you know. Is gold bullish or bearish? Are we looking for a bearish turnout? We're not looking for a bullish turnout on gold. If we have a bullish turnout, well, it's one of the few. Okay, this kind of close back in the range. So we can't decide right there. We need to wait. Let's look at gold. How did it close? Oh, gold closed with a bullish candle. Rejection. Exhaustion happening there, which is good. Exhaustion happening is good. Which, yeah, we had exhaustion, we had a resistance created, we had exhaustion, which is good. So in this case, we wait to see if this current candle can print a high and then fall back down. Or if it doesn't, if it can break the low of the current candle, which would be good. Not really breaking the current low like per se. You can look at the 5 minutes time frame, right? Look at that. It's really struggling to go up, right? The low I might be talking about is maybe this here. If it can break this low, we could take sales. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame. That's it. Mr. Nas, have a question. Can I ask? You're already asking, man. So I don't know why you have to ask. Are we trading gold today? Yes, this is gold we have right now. Okay, cool stuff. Nice. God is showing that it's trying to slow down to the upside. That's what it's showing us, at least from what I'm saying. That it wants to slow down to the upside. Because all this toppiness. How the hell do you think that the market would come all the way up to where it is? Right? Move up, come here, and slow down. Maybe it wants to slow down before it continues down. Okay? Who knows? Let's see. Yeah, guys, so ask your asks, okay? Asks your asks. Let me answer your asks. That's if you have any asks. That's what I'm here for. Every single time we try and do that. I have one group I was in. They have bad habits. I understand what you mean. Find the right people, stick to that. Simple. That's how life works, man. Just find one girl, stick to that. That's how life works. It's the same thing. Find one mentor, stick to that. That's how life works. Before you get burnt. Okay? Find one girl, stick to that. That's how life works. You don't ask me. I can tell you so much about that. Okay, this candle looks like it wants to print up. I'm gonna wait for it to close, I think, because it's a very minute candle. It looks like it's rejecting already. We are overall bullish on NAS. There's no two ways about it. Overall bullish. We just want confirmation, you know. We just want confirmation before we can stock up anything. We just want confirmation. Proper confirmation. Can you stream till 18 today? No, I can't stream till 18 today. I can't stream till 18 today. Maybe I could till maybe 16:30, not 18. I'm trying to read something. Yeah. Oh. I'm here but trying to read something. Yeah. Someone says, do you have giveaways? No, I don't have giveaways. Sorry, I don't have giveaways. No, I don't have. Been offline for months. Probably I missed a lot. Yes, you have a lot. I just bought a Lambo recently. You missed out on that as well. Just go check my Instagram. I bought a Lambo. You missed out on that too. Because I mean, it's like that's how life works these days, you know? It's like, you know, there's people with material things trying to prove a point to those who probably don't have those things. And the ones who don't have things be like, oh shit. So if he can do it, I can do it. Yeah, okay, fine. I understand. I understand your reasoning, right? It's okay to feel like if he can do it, I can do it. It's okay, right? But the focus shouldn't really be about the things. The focus should be about what brought the things. You know, like if whatever person did today and they claim they did it, try and learn how they did it. Perhaps maybe you can. Okay, cool. I'm gonna take a buy now here. Another buy. Okay. Yeah, I'm taking a buy now. Here. Stop is gonna be here. And I'm gonna put TP here. Okay. I'm gonna put now. Let's just make it 40 points. 40 points is good. Normally I risk 40 points. Yeah. So testing the waters means I don't get in so many positions at one spot. Okay. I'm gonna wait to see if my trades can get to a winning direction. Okay. So we are buying NAS. Yes. Yeah, we just did. We did even earlier, right? But we were looking at candles, how they were closing. So we said, no, you know what? The hell, let's wait. But now we are in profits. Yeah. We're in profits again. How about that? Mr. Nas, you're effortlessly funny. You think? I'm not that funny. Honestly, I'm not that funny. Not as funny as you. I'm not that funny. Okay, cool stuff. We're in profits now. Beautiful. We're in profits now. I'm up $70. Yeah. Why don't you trade a big account? What do you mean by a big account? Do you have $1,000 to trade with? I'm trading $2,000. Look. You have $1,000 to trade with? Is that not big to you? First time I've heard you speak Nyanja. I do a lot. We speak Nyanja a lot. It's just this English that we know we've learnt along the way, and we just want to use it to communicate and what. But we speak good Nyanja a lot. That's not still reacting to the 4-hour resistance. Okay. Oh, that's nice. You know, that's nice. Yeah, man. Let's see how things go here. Gold has tanked. It's tanking. Not too much, but it's tanking. It is. We made money in the morning. We're making money now as well. Look at how trading works, man. You're just making some money back to back. Isn't that beautiful? I think it's a nice feeling, if you'd ask me. Then I would have been here waiting for my salary to come by the month end, something. Not that it's a bad thing also. If you can do both, that's even better. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, network. Wasn't loading for a minute, you know? Okay. Now it's loaded. Cool stuff. Yeah. We're good now, guys. We're really good. Are you guys in profits? Are you guys in profits? Are you guys in profits? Did you take the trades? I'm not gonna tell you buy now, whatever. I'm just here to trade, and if you want to do the same thing I'm doing, you do it as well. So don't wait for me to be like, oh, have you said buy now? No, I didn't say. Just do what I'm doing. Simple as that. All right, so yeah. 55 people. You guys like the video? Then I'll continue. If you don't, I'm gonna just exit and go. I have a couple meetings again today. I have some, you know, just my life is filled with meetings and meetings and meetings. But also just talking to my students as well, advancing their learning. Yeah, it's just like that. So if you guys don't like the video now, I'm gonna leave right now. And if I leave, you guys will blow up your accounts. If I leave, you guys are gonna blow up your accounts. That sound, I don't like it. Yeah, sometimes it's network. Sometimes also it could be that you don't have enough money in your account. You don't have enough money in your account. That's my brother there, Robert, actually. Yeah, how are you doing? Someone says, God is playing with my emotions. Oh, really? Yeah, assets will play with your feelings. Forex will play with your feelings most of the time. God is just doing up and down, up and down. It looks low though that like sellers are just, you know, mixed up. Yeah. We took the biggest ride in the morning though. Not too big, but was reasonable. Was a good ride on gold. Now we're trying to take a ride on Nasdaq, you know, but it keeps on just telling us else how. Look, I like how this candle closed, okay, because the entry was around here. I like how this candle closed bullish, and now this one wants to close back bearish. If this does that, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's just gonna be a West. You know, I'll call it off the trading day if he does that. You guys join the Learn and Earn platform. More trades are shared there. In the morning, we had a beautiful sell on gold. So you missed it because you're not in the group. Okay, so join it. We have 700 people in there. Yeah. So we have about 700 people. Whoa, man, this thing is rejecting again. But anyway, my stop is not that crazy. So it's like 41 points. So I don't know. Just hold. Yeah. Simplest thing to do, maybe. Just hold, I think. I think so. Because Nasdaq is really bullish. Yeah, anyway, let me check out the comments. Gold is performing right now. Been stopped out twice already. Just call it a day. Call it a day, man. Just call it a day. It's okay. Tomorrow we're back again. So yeah. Just call it a day. Been stopped twice. Just call it a day. We're on Nasdaq. It's been playing around here. You know, we took a buy earlier, it's just, we closed it, now we took a buy again, and now it's just still playing around. One move. And don't find excuses for a bad trade. A bad trade is just a bad trade. Don't be like, oh, there's manipulation. False. There's nothing called manipulation. False. Okay? False. There's nothing called manipulation. Nobody manipulates anything here. Okay? There's no bank, no whatever that manipulates things here. Okay? So there's nothing called that. Okay? So just a loss is a loss. Accept you just lost. No, you know, the liquidity, no, there's not. Look, just you lost. Move on to the next trade. Simple. Don't be like, oh, manipulation. No, nothing like that. So, okay, currently, it looks like we should just break out of this level. If we fail to break off this level, we'll continue being bearish. Which is not good. But if we can break out of this level, especially with this candle, I'm suspecting maybe around 17. I realize this day is 17, 5 p.m. Normally we get to pick up more. Like if you look at yesterday, okay? Let me just take out this. Look at yesterday. New York session is what? It's 1530, all right? Okay, 1530 we had a push up. But look at by the time price was, look at 16. Look at 1630. Oh, look at this was what? 16. Yeah, 17 price was moved even twice that much, you know. So yeah, maybe we just wait. We just keep waiting. Sells I wouldn't take. You know, I'll stick to my buying bias. Sells I wouldn't take here, especially. What's going on with South African traders? I don't know. I'm not from South Africa, man. I'm from Zambia. I'm not from South Africa. I'm not from there. Yeah. So go ask what's going on with them. I'm not from there. The trading space is congested with everything and anything. Those who can trade, those who can't trade, those who can fake a life, those who can't fake a life, and those who fake a life, they try to be the noisiest and they try to make it look like, look, I did it 16 years old. I bought a house. I bought a car. I'm not trying to say that's not true. You could do that, you know, but don't make so much noise about it, especially if you're faking it, because somebody's going to call you out for faking something. When they call you out, it's going to be terrible. It's going to be really terrible. Just be real, okay? Just be real, okay? You have this car, just be real. You don't have it, you don't have it. Just be real, simple. Everything we have discussed here is been in a consolidation so far. We're getting profits and back and whatever, that kind of thing. It's possible to fake a life. Yes, it is possible to fake a life. You know how possible it is? You can fake a life in the sense that you not have money in your bank. Okay? Your bank is zero. So your bank is zero. Your MT5 is 100,000. Yeah, that's what you're better off. I was saying the same thing in the morning. You're better off you have 50 rands live than a guy who has 100,000, which is faked. And they'll tell you I made 100,000. Okay, they'll show you all that, but you're better off. If you'd ask me, at least I'll tell you. Let's just be honest, you know. So. Anyway, ladies and men, gentlemen and ladies, I think it's a very slow New York. I would say maybe things will pick up thereafter. I like it when I come here and some action, you know, like some things go on. Nothing really is going on as much so far. I would say so. Nothing really is going on as much. Everything is not really, you know. But yeah, anyway, hopefully we're learning from the things we discuss. Besides, hopefully we get to learn from all these things. Listen, as I keep on making profit and losing it, what can you advise? You are still break even. Try and get a hold of yourself. The fact that you're winning means you can consistently keep winning. Just try and learn yourself more. Okay, you are when you're at break even, most of the struggle is with yourself. It's not with the markets. It's not with the charts. It's not with the what? It's not with the fundamentals. No, it's just with yourself. You are battling with yourself. That's it. Okay, that's normally the biggest issue. So just try and understand yourself more. So sit yourself down and ask yourself some questions. I'm stuck in invested money. Oh, I'm stuck on invested amount. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Help me understand that though. Like, I don't really understand what you mean. Just help me understand. Listen, I need some agent advice. Okay, I think I answered that. No, I answered that. I answered that. You're stuck on invested amount. Okay, I answered that. Just figure out yourself, man. Just figure out yourself. Sit yourself down, understand. Maybe also engage some people who've gone ahead of you. Okay? Explain your problems. All right? One of which maybe can be you overtrade. One of which could be also that you hold on to losing trades so long, longer than you should. One of which could also be that you focus on the wrong assets. Maybe you're greedy sometimes. Maybe those could be challenges. And find a person who could help you deal with those challenges if you can't sit yourself down for now. Okay? Yeah, very slow market. I have to admit that. Nothing really going on as much. Prices rejecting upside and downside. Gold, you see. Rejection up, rejection down. Now rejection down. Who knows? Maybe rejection up. Yeah. Quite a dirty one. Quite a very dirty one. Nasdaq, ooh, got close. Still rejecting up as well. Let's look at US30. Rejecting down, rejecting up. Very filthy. The best trades maybe were in London session, yeah? Good thing I did trade London session also. But who knows? Let's see. We still have New York session from now to midnight, so we just keep observing how these candles are printing like. Okay, don't change the bias because you're having one candle behaving in a certain way. Okay, because you understood what was happening from the higher time frame, you know, to the lower. So don't change your bias just because of one thing that's going on in one time frame. So yeah, probably one thing I would say. Okay, as I leave, I'm about to leave here. You know, nothing really going on as much, so I'm not gonna stay here for too long. Hopefully we enjoy today. Are you in any trade? Yes, I aim in I aim in a Nasdaq trade. Gold I closed. I haven't executed again. I am in a Nasdaq trade, but it's just playing around. Very small trade as well. Yeah, I'm in a US tech trade while I'm trying to see if gold can you know, give confirmations again. Yeah, but it's still stuck there. Might close it soon as well. All right. Appreciate your advice. You're welcome. Okay. Guys, I'm out of here. We'll talk. Right. Join the platform. Right. Yeah, I'll sure say that anybody who's in the on this platform got the trades that we had today in here. Yeah, you know, I think those were the most, maybe I would say, effective trades so far. But I still see guys were trading thereafter and so on. But yeah, if you check, these are the trades that we took early in the morning. It's a free platform. Just hit me up, learn and earn, and you're gonna join this platform. Very easy. All right. So we had a brilliant conversation in the morning. I brought on somebody today from the platform who's doing well, and they were actually sharing an aspect to their trading, and just, you know, yeah, sharing how they actually do certain things and stuff. If I spot that you are really good on the platform, I bring you on board. Yeah, I bring you on board because I want you to help other people as well. You know, see how you're seeing things, right? So yeah, go open up an account with Exness. There's a link in the description below. Yeah, go do that and then hit me up when you're done. I'm gonna add you to the platform. For now, peace out. I'll see you guys on Friday. Right, I'm back with back-to-back streams. Okay, so you guys can always join whenever you could. yeah, so I'll see you in the Learn and Earn. I'll get some motivation on your IG today. So powerful. I like your stories. Oh, thanks, Elijah. Thanks. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you. Thanks a lot. Peace out, guys. Have a beautiful trading session. Trade safely.